It's that time. Winter is coming. None of this will be visible for a long, long time. Alright, so here we are, up in El Chapo. Today we're going to answer the good old question here. Can you fix rod knock on your 350Z with the engine still in the car? See, we got all these ratchet straps going on here. I got one on each side actually holding the engine up. See, I got it wrapped around the engine mount down there, going up over the strut bar, and then down back to this little spot on the frame here. It's a little hole in the frame here where it clips in. Got that on both sides. Then I have another strap on each side, just to fail safe in case these ones fucking break or something like that. The engine will fall on my fucking head. Alright, as you can see, we got the upper oil pan chilling right there, cleaned up, ready to go back on already. Got the coolant reservoir over here, the fucking thing in the radiator to bleed it out, all this shit. Got the fucking mango, gotta have the mucho mango. Fucking weird, right? So, like, everything's super expensive nowadays. But Arizona iced tea's been the same price since I was fucking born. $1. $1 holla. Alright, here we go. Welcome to the danger zone. Here we are. We have full access to the bottom of the motor with removing that fucking pan. Pretty simple fucking process. You gotta drop the cross member, and pull the starter off. Which pretty much means that you gotta drop this rack with two brackets, this bracket here, and then this one down here. And definitely replace this bushing while you're in there. I already replaced mine. And you basically have to disconnect this little linkage here from the cross member. And you disconnect your control arm right here from the cross member. And you just swing it right out of the way. And then fucking support your motor. And drop the cross member. And go to town. My biggest thing about doing this right here is I didn't want to have to fucking drain all the coolant again. That's what I didn't want to do. Anyways, back here on our number 5 piston, this guy right here, we had a rod knock. We spun the rod bearing right here, this guy right here, spun right out of there. I was wondering, like, why is my phone is trash? I'm gonna have to get some kind of better system here. But, you know, show the difference here. Right here, we got this old rod bearing that spun, right? Fuck, it's not focusing so that you can see this. See that little hole in there? Look how freaking tiny that hole is. I hate you, phone. There you go. And here we have brand new King Racing fucking rod bearings. Right? Let's get this one out. They're numbered and stuff, so I don't want to get them mixed up. I don't know if it really matters. But here we go. Here's a new one. Look how much bigger that hole is there. Look how small that one is. Look how fucking scratched up and fucked up this one is. Shredded. Compared to this one. So I stuck the new one in there. And as you can see, we're up in there, and we're gonna grab on this guy. And now we have no play. It's not popping and knocking and making all kinds of crazy noise. It's just chilling there. It's solid. Just like all the other ones. Solid. Solid. Now, just for reference, we're gonna come right on over here. Because this one also has a spun bearing. And here, I already took it off. But it basically made this noise. That's the noise that your rod knocking is going to make. And stay tuned, we'll find out if it knocks when we start it up, or if it blows up, or how long it lasts. Because I just did one of the bearings on there, with it in the car, just to get it fucking going, to see if I can get, I don't know, last fucking week out of the car before the fucking snow hits, maybe.